Hey everyone, Pat Mitchell here, and in this free video lesson from TrickTrades, I'm going to show you the actionable trade ideas that I shout out all day, every day. So let's get into it. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video because I've got a couple really big announcements. You're not going to want to miss them. These take the cake. You're going to love it. Stick around. Okay, guys, so I get asked this all the time. What type of stocks do we play? What type of alerts do I give? First and foremost, I gotta clear this up because TrickTrades we're different because we don't alert. They're not like alerts like buy here, sell here. Now, don't get scared away by that, guys. Okay, I know a lot of you really want your hands held, but the ones that really truly want to do this the rest of their lives, they don't want that hand holding. They want education. That's what we do at TrickTrades. We educate. Now I'm telling you, that is hands down the God's honest truth. I want to educate you guys. So, but at the same time, we still give actionable trade ideas, and there is a difference. Alerts are basically, in my opinion, they're thoughtless. You guys don't know why you're taking the trade. You're just trying to make money. Okay, the stock market's bizarre world. Day trading is bizarre world. If you're actually trying to make money, like if that's you're just trying to make money, you're going to fail at it, guys, okay? You take high probability setups. Setups that are going to produce with a high percentage a win. Okay? And that's what we do and that's what we teach at TrickTrades. I teach you guys the setups, how to recognize them, how to recognize them quickly, right? Day trading is about being fast. So one of my most recent call, and it was a call towards the end of the day yesterday, which was Friday. I just got back into the office. I took a little bit of a break, ate some lunch, hung out with my wife for a bit. Come back into the office, and as soon as I sit down, I see AMGN. And I tell you, I pounded the table hard. And the ones that acted on it, the members that acted on it, they banked huge. They banked huge. They could have had a red week, and by this trade, could have put them green and then some. So let's get into... Oh, where's my mouse? There it is. AMGN. Man, this was beautiful. So, I'll show you the... Oh, for some reason that sucks. My tab or my horizontal lines from the call out aren't popping up. That's all right. So, this was the first one. Okay. This was the area I was watching. So when I got back into the office, I got back in right here, just as it broke that resistance. Okay, this 173.48. Okay, so where I was watching it, and I even gave a stop out point. No, it wasn't there. It was down one. And I marked it in a different color. I just want to go through and show you guys what it looked like. Okay, so this is what the chart looked like. And it was up on screen share just like this. This is the charts that I use for screen share, so that you can see the daily chart and the intraday chart. So I'll zoom in so you can really see. I said AMGN needs to stay below this 173.48 former support, now holding up as resistance. And if it crosses above 173.58, you might as well stop out because it'll most likely retrace into the 50, and it's just it's not worth taking the trade. You can reset and take it back up here. So it was all clearly laid out in chat, and I pounded the table, and look at this. Beautiful, beautiful setup. This is a slam play. It's something that we trade a lot at TrickTrades, and I love when this setup happens because it produces massive results. Okay, so now let's see what the trade did. Look at that, guys. So from your entry, okay, from your entry down to lows, if you held it the entire day, the rest of the day, which really you should have, it didn't really give you a reason to get out. It gave you $4.13 per share. Now, I know what you're looking at. You're looking at the price of the stock, aren't you? And you're saying, $174. I can't trade that. I've got a small account. Guys, that's nonsense. You guys got to stop thinking that way. On these stocks, you don't need to take 1,000, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 shares. Because of the range involved, you only need a few shares, okay? So I'm going to pull in the calculator because I want to show you guys. So let's say on AMGN, you took the trade at 173.48, okay? And you got the whole $4.13 a share. But with your small account, you could only afford to take 25 shares, okay? Now, I know what you're thinking. 25 shares. Yeah, but let's do the math, folks. So 25 times $4.13 a share. It's $103, guys, okay? And I want to point this out. Do you guys see your risk? 10 cents. 10 cents. Most day trading chat rooms can't give you a 10-cent stop on a dollar stock. Okay, guys? I can give you these setups. I can give you an actionable call out, an actionable trade idea where I pound the table and tell you guys, take this bloody fucking trade, okay? With 10-cent stop. You were risking 10 cents. You could have made $4.13 a share. Off of only 25 shares, you would have made $103, guys. And what would your commissions be on 25 shares? $1. Guys, quit pissing around in those other trading chat rooms. I'm telling you guys, ask any of my members. Any of my members, go hit them up on Twitter. They'll give you a no bullshit response, guys. Okay? So let's do some math now on 100 shares. Okay? 100 shares, and I know it's easy math, but for demonstration purposes. 100 shares times $4.13 a share. $413. And for those of you that are out there that don't have small accounts and you have, nice size trading accounts, or you have a funded account, that's why I love the funded accounts program. And I've got a big promotion going on, so stay tuned. I also have another announcement at the end of this as well. But I've got a really, really big promotion that can get you into trading these higher price stocks because of the buying power. So let's say you have a nice size day trading account and you took 500 shares, which is pretty reasonable. So 500 shares times $4.13 a share. $2,000. $2,000 off of 500 shares, guys. You guys see the possibilities now? I had a member this week on my OLED call, okay? A member on my OLED call that paid off, that's right, he paid off his student loans. One trade. You guys realize the potential here? And it's not like he took a big position, guys, okay? It wasn't some unrealistic 5,000, 10,000 share position or something stupid like that where you're exposing yourself to massive amounts of risk. You don't need to expose yourself to massive amounts of risk at TrickTrades. This is how I teach you how to be consistent and to become profitable with the most limited amount of risk possible. Okay, guys? So I really want you guys to come give me a shot. I promise you're not going to be disappointed. These are the calls I make all day. And don't get scared too. If the higher price stocks are still kind of, it's too much, don't worry about it, guys. We trade everything. We trade everything at TrickTrades. Small caps, mid caps, large caps, mega caps. We trade it all. Yeah, we trade it all. Okay? So don't be afraid, guys. We trade everything. And the thing is, even on the lower price stocks, the only way that we play them, like we do not play for pennies. We hammer points, and that's the truth. We only go after stocks that are going to give us at least 50 cents per share. At least, like that's minimum, or else it's just not worth our time, right? So stop pissing around in these chat rooms where you're going to get like 5 or 10 cents. Guys, it's a waste of your time and you're risking way too much. As day traders, that's all we can manage is a risk. So come to a place that's going to show you how to properly, literally properly manage your risk, okay? So if you don't have the capital to have a large account and you're just starting out, I've got a huge promotion for you guys going on right now, and I've extended it until Monday. So it was supposed to be ended yesterday on Friday, but we were able to extend it. Nobody else is offering this. It's a TrickTrades exclusive. So on the funded accounts program, only on an intro account, if you are a first-time funded accounts buyer, and I'll leave an email in the description box below, so make sure to look for my email. You can also contact me on social media as well. That's fine, right? So an intro account for the funded accounts is normally $500, which gives you a $700 max loss and buying power of $14,000. Okay? So the way that max loss works, because I get asked this all the time, the way the max loss works is it's 14,000 minus 700. So if you go down to 13,300, then the account's done. It's like you've blown up the account. So that normally is $500. Until Monday, through TrickTrades only, you can get that account for $350. If you had any qualms, like you weren't sure if, it sounds too good to be true, I don't know. Guys, for $350, all my members use them. The majority of my members use them and they love them. I would never promote something that would ever hurt you guys. Okay, I wouldn't sleep at night. I'm not built that way. All right. So hit me up because I need some information and then I can get that sent off. And act fast because, guys, it's only happening until Monday. And it's going to be shut down early Monday. It's not Monday end of day or something like that. Okay. So you need to hit me up. Hit me up on that. Also, my next announcement, and this is huge. Okay. We've all heard of the Millionaire Challenge. Well, I don't believe in that. I think that that's just a lot of horse shit and someone trying to sell you a bunch of bullshit fantasy land garbage, okay? And then charges you $6,000, $7,000 to do it. No. At TrickTrades, it's not going to cost you a dime. I'm offering you the Consistency Challenge. Because with consistency will come the money, okay? So what I'm offering, you need to be a TrickTrades member, so you'll have to go to TrickTrades.com and sign up at least for a guidance membership or mentoring membership. And what I'm doing is after a given period of time, and I'm going to be doing this nonstop all the time. All the time. Every 4 to 6 months, I'm going to choose the most consistent TrickTrades member, and I'm going to give them out of my own pocket $5,000 minimum. That's minimum. $5,000 minimum to, after they've proved consistency, to put in. I will put it directly into your trading account. Guys, who does that? Nobody does that. Me. I do that because I actually care. I'm doing this to light a fire under your ass. So for me, it is. It's worth it to give you guys the $5,000. I want to see you guys succeed. I live for this shit, guys. I do. That's what gets me out of bed, man. I love it. I love it. I got members that are paying off student loans. I got members that are they are actually 100% proven, consistent members. I love it, guys. So that's first place. I'm also working on some second and third place prizes. I'm thinking now it's not 100%. The $5,000 minimum, that is 100%. That's what I'm giving away, okay, to the most consistent TrickTrades member. The second place, I'm thinking about giving a gaming laptop away. It's not going to be some garbage piece of crap laptop. It's going to be badass, okay? And third place, I'm thinking about giving away a pretty badass 4K monitor, brand new in the box, right to you, shipped right to your door, okay? So come join TrickTrades. You need to be a member for the duration of the consistency challenge. This is something that I'm going to be offering all the time. All the time. Every 4 to 6 months, I'm going to choose a winner and give $5K minimum, plus the other prizes. Okay, guys, I think I've said enough. I've taken up enough of your time. Remember, guys, come to a place that actually cares. Make sure to check around. I'm sure they're floating around you right now for all the other videos that you can, video lessons for my free content. Love you all. Hope you have a great weekend. And make sure to check the description box for the email and all the other information. All right, guys, take care. Adios.